Open Fire by G. Morrison. Set a net a fire for heat, burning coal, sticks or peat, thinking o' the things I like, as I put up my feet. The wind is battered now and again, with the sleet and snow. Sometimes it is driving rain, fit the wind is blaw. I think about the things I ate, cod and fresh fish pie, mackerel, haddocks, salmon, kippers. I smoke it without a die. Dressed crab and shawl, part and teas, monkfish, tail and prawns, lobsters, mussels, lemon sole, herring, dabs and rawns. As I sit here, drying out, I think of things like fine fresh fruit, strawberries, bananas, apple pie, and handmade dumpling in a clout. I even think o' moppy stew, as the reek flees up the flue. Corned beef hash, beetroot and peas, brings the water to my moo. I like to think o' eating food, like 2 fresh chicken legs, unscrambled, poached, fried or baked, or hard or soft-boiled eggs. Looking at my fire so read, makes me think o' ours feed, haggis, skirly, neeps and tatties. Is it need or is it greed? I come and pour, the flames release, the mind starts drifting into peace. Sirloin steak, mushrooms and grease, I think o' us things we ease. Other things spring to mind. I'm in my boat, a shot a line, hauling up spear-deep cod, flat calm seas and warm sunshine. Tatties in tin foil to bake, is fit a pit aneath the grate, and out they come and never late, if left o'er long they will cremate. A corn of nuts set up to roast, I even heat a bit of toast. I thought the flames I would be lost. Ah, it's pleasure, it nae muckle cost. I canna think o' nae mair noo, 'cause a's thinkings made me tire. But one last thought that I admire, I couldna do without my fire.